to my channel. My name is Alisha Elay, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get this look and switch up this multi-wear dress from JLUXLABEL. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. I normally don't do these because I just be, experimenting the day of or whatever. But I got this dress from JLUXLABEL, and when I say, I was just like, ooh, this looks so good on the model. How do I do this? And I really didn't know. Like, I found like one video on how to like wrap, but she was petite and I got tickle bitties. All right, I got shape. Okay, so let's get into how I did these styles. Okay, watch me struggle. Let's go. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I tucked in my bra straps just so y'all can see what it looks like. I am not wearing the proper shapewear. I'm gonna let y'all know that right now. And that's just because I'm just showing you how to get the looks, when it's time for you to do it. But yeah, so as you can see, this is a cute little halter situation going on with a cross back. So I'm going to show you guys how I got there. Okay, so this is the additional area. Don't mind my back fat. Okay, I'm not wearing the proper stuff. It is what it is. But as you can see, it has this like extra material that's connecting the dress. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring it around, right? Okay, you're going to have to fix and finagle, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to find your spacing around your body, and then you're going to pretty much wrap one up around your chest, and then wrap the other one up around your chest, just like this. You can always fix and finagle later, but this is the gist of it. Okay? So once you do that, you can either tie it just like this and let your long strings hang if you want to just do that. Or if you want to create a little bit more security, you're going to move these straps right down, and then you're going to wrap it right in front of you. Okay? And then you're going to tie it right here in the back. Okay. So this is what it's looking like in the back. You can see here. Okay. Of course, you should be wearing the proper bra. If you are wearing a bra, if you have to wear a bra, whatever have you, you're going to fix and finagle the way you need to, so that way, if you don't want it choking you, fix it, adjust the way you need to adjust. If you decide you don't want to wear a bra, by all means, that's all you. But I am a 40 triple D. Certain things I feel like I should be wearing a bra. But yeah. So that's look number one. Okay. Well, 1 and 2, because I just showed you 2 different ways that you could tie it. Right? Okay. So that's that. If you wanted to tie it in the front, you could tie it in the front. Up to you. How you feeling? I'm not feeling it, but if you want it, you could do. Okay, wait, hold up. Instead of actually doing a bow, we could just double tie it. Okay. This is a different kind of look going on if you wanted to do the side. Okay. It's cute. Alright. So, next. Untie it, Okay. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to do a little twist banjo situation going on. Okay, of course, this is why I'm wearing a bra, because I do not need to be showing none of y'all my tickle bitties, okay, on camera and then get reported. Okay, so this it's not letting me be great right now. So I'm gonna do this first, okay? I'm sorry if y'all hear that in the background. People just loud as hell with their bass in their cars for whatever reason. Um, but yeah, so as you can see, you can either tie it just like this, or you can wrap it around a few different times, depending on what look you're looking for, and then tie it. Of course, fix your boobs the way you need to fix your boobs. If you want, you could tie it straight to the side here as well. If you want to do a bow, you could do a bow. Not everybody like a bow. Not everybody do a bow nice. Or you could do the simple double tie and secure, okay? Fix your boobs the way you need to fix your boobs, okay? It's a cute little situation here. Of course, try not to show y'all any titties, okay? But without revealing myself, here's what that would look like. Of course, with tucking everything in with a proper bra. But yeah, this is what this is giving. Nice little cleavage action, you know? It's given. It's given, okay? It's given. Also make it like a halter right here. Why am I struggling to tie it? I don't know. Okay. Of course, tuck the way you need to tuck, like I said. And that's a cute little halter situation. So now that that is done, you could also, I want to say, you could do this, right? You kept that little twist and then you tied here. Like I said, you could tie it just like that. Or if you want more security, you're going to do that cross situation here. And you're going to wrap it around and tie it. I love that these, the strings, I want to call them the strings, are long. So that way you can do a lot of different finessing and finagling, okay? Of course, make sure that it looks the way you want it to look in the back, but the front is giving, okay? It's definitely giving. That's one. I want to say that you can also twist this around a few times, okay? You could do that. Like I said, if you wanted to have this is getting stuck to my heel, but here you are. So this is what this is looking like. Of course, you'll fix the way you need to fix, but this is one way of doing it. So there's that. There's also the very traditional way, without showing titty. Without showing titty, okay. So, right, one will wrap around the other. Very simple. All depends on where you want to tie it. You can tie it like this in the back. You tie it in the front. Side tie. It's getting all up to you. Okay. It's giving very cute. You could also do in one shoulder. If I can find it. Also do this one shoulder action, and then of course fix things the way you want to fix it. Okay, like this, or you can do both. Okay. Okay, just like that. And then of course, you know, fix the sides where you need to fix. So this is that situation. So it all depends on how you decide you want to tie these things. Okay. Could tie it in the back. There is so many different ways that you can tie this dress. I'm not lying to y'all. Like, being a mid-size, I am a 12-14. This is an extra large. And their dresses, they have so many different colors and everything. It's amazing, y'all. I cannot say y'all wrong. Like, I got this when it was on sale, but the original price, I want to say, is $49.99. Baby, they got plus size, they got regular size. Y'all need to get this. Like, this dress is giving. It's giving, y'all. Like, I could do the cute little shoulder like this, you know? Like, regal. Alright? There's so many different ways, like I said, that you could wear this dress. Definitely check them out. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I will see you in the next video. Okay, y'all? Peace.